going to go on a quick test drive. We have 17,691 miles on the odometer. Now the flickering you see here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. Got the upgraded VMP supercharger. Shifts really nice, and when you let off the throttle there, you can hear some crackles and pops. It's very subtle though. The tires are still cold, so when you try to get on it, they just want to spin. So I'll barely get on it here, and they just want to spin. Car shifts perfect though, no complaints there. Alignment feels good. I'll kind of roll the windows down here. It's a little windy. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. One thing to note, this does have an upgraded supercharger, so we'll have the list on the website with all those. Looking at this wheel, you do have some flaws there. Very common to have these kind of little vein, spidery looking things on that finish. Little scuffs there. Got the N55 5G2s. Date code 2019. Now looking at the paint, typical swirls from everyday washing, little minor imperfections. Got one rock chip there. You're gonna see those little swirls. We do offer paint correction in-house, as well as ceramic coating, so you can get this thing looking really, really good. Got a little chip there, it looks like. Here on the side mirror, that looks beautiful. A couple little impacts. Got a little spot there. That plastic is in great condition. Most of those are really faded. Upper section looks good. That looks nice. You're gonna see some light imperfections here from just the sun and whatnot. Graphic down the side does have a little chip at the very end. Got a chip on the edge here, and then one there, and you're going to see little fingernail scratches around this area. That's something that paint correction could help get out. There's a little chip there, a couple light scuffs. That looks good. Date code 2019. The NT555 G2s. Once again, that wheel has minor imperfections, but overall that's in great condition. You are missing the antenna, so you're going to see those swirls here. The red kind of hides it in camera, but you're going to have those typical washing swirls. Looking at that stripe, the stripe looks awesome. Here on the edge, a couple rock chips. All of that looks good. Headlights look really nice. If you get super close on the headlights, you're gonna see that kind of light imperfections there. I wouldn't call those cracking, but maybe some like delaminating, but I'm talking inches away. Other than that, the clarity is amazing. A little bit of rash on that lower splitter. I do see some hard water stains on the vinyl. A couple chips. See some kind of bubbling of some sort there. You have a few rock chips there. A few little swirls. Looking at that wheel. Typical minor flaws, otherwise in great condition. Got a touch-up spot here. Side mirror looks good. Another touch-up spot. That trim looks really good. You have a rock chip there. You have a rock chip here that's been touched up. A couple chips on the door edge. That vinyl, that looks really good. All of that's nice and clean. Here on that wheel, once again, looks really good. Upper side looks good. Taillights are clean. Now you do have some chips in that vinyl. You can see these have kind of ripped off, and this is cracking with age. So if you replace that little section, that would look a lot better. Now something did scratch this though, and it clipped the paint. So you do have a scratch there, and then you have a gash right here. And it's really hard to tell, but there is some spider cracking in that area. And I think it's next to impossible for the camera to pick it up. But there's some light spider cracking in this area as well from this. And then you're just gonna have these flaws on the stripe. Other than that, looks really good. And then actually right here, looks like there was a rip and they kind of cut a piece out and stuck it on there. So honestly, replace those stripes and this will look a lot better. All right, checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous, non-smoker, and it is in really, really nice condition. It looks beautiful. Here on this trim, a lot of these separate and fall down. It looks like this one is intact and in great condition. Plastics look good. Getting up close, you can see how nice that is. All of that looks good. Really, really clean. That's in great condition. And you do have some small flaws around that area. Got the WeatherTechs. Looking at that bolster, cushion looks amazing. Very light wear on the piping, but for the year, that is incredibly clean. Here on the steering wheel, a couple light scuffs. That emblem looks good. Those buttons are nice and clean. The rest of that looks awesome. All of that looks good. All of this looks mint. Very, very nice. Not much to pick apart, honestly. All right, looking at that door panel, upper section looks amazing. I don't really see any separation on that. It's really nice. The rest of that looks good. That's nice and clean. Got the WeatherTechs. Looking at that bolster, that looks amazing. Couple light scuffs on that edge. And that seat looks really, really good. Plastics, those are all in great condition. See a couple light scuffs there on that plastic. That trim looks good. Those are all perfect. Upper side of the dash, that's in great condition. I mean, this side is really, really nice. This is near brand new. Carpets look amazing. Nice and clean. All of that looks good. All the channels in here look amazing. All right, we're gonna scan through the engine bay. Got the upgraded VMP supercharger. Looks really good. That plastic's in great condition. The massive intake. That looks awesome. Under hood liner, a couple little snags there, a little bit of stains. For the most part though, that's in great condition.